My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website Spublicate.xyz. Spublicate.xyz. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously there is a serious problem with your browser. But if you start interacting with these pop-ups, there may be more problems to expect. So you should not click on this special allow button as suggested by the pop-up. If people click on allow, their browser may be immediately hijacked and you may be brought to some other questionable sites. Plus, you may start receiving the great number of strange ads popping up in the right part of your computer screen. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, you should immediately undertake the measures to get rid of these pop-ups. To do that, access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this as Spublicate.xyz, be sure to remove this site from the list and also delete any other junk sites from this list. To make sure that your computer is free of other concealed threats, I would strongly recommend that you research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software. Using this green download button, install the application and start researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats fully and effectively from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.